Hi everybody, welcome to Willis Elevators and welcome to another hotel tour video. So today we're going to be touring the City Express hotels in Tula, Mexico, and here I'm standing in the lobby, and right there is the social distancing sign. There's your place to sit down, and right there's the front desk, and over here there's the telephone right there. Is the breakfast area, which is closed right now, with the TV hanging up there. That's where you get your water. It's a Samsung TV. And in here is the fitness center. Next to it is the men's room. So I wonder if it's open or not. Yeah, it is open. So we're gonna have to look in here real quick. Right there is the treadmill, the elliptical, and right there is the TV, which is a Philips. And look at the mirror. Hey! There's where you get your water. There's the hand sanitizer. So, let's go check something else out now. I don't wanna just closing the door. There's the hand sanitizer. Right there is the fire alarm. And here's a beautiful painting on the wall. And here's our good friend, Mr. Security. And here is the business center. I don't want to get caught, so I'm just gonna look in here real quick. You have your business center with just 2 computers. Right there's the telephone. And let's go toward the elevator now. I don't know where the pool is at. There's a smoke detector and a fire sprinkler. And the elevator is to the left. So, we got an elevator. Door closed, but works. You know what it is, right? It's a Mitsubishi elevator. Down the lobby, and we're gonna tour the room. Let's get your cab view of this thing. Look in the mirror. Hey! Here are your fixtures. Let's watch the button go out. Here at the lobby. And right here's the vending machine and your ice machine. There it goes. And let's see what's out there. There's nothing out there. Oh, right there's the pool. I'm assuming, but I don't know if I can get out. No, I can't. Anyways, let's go check out the room now. I'm in room 111. And here's the room, 111. We're gonna pause it here and do the room tour. Alright, this is going to be the hotel room tour here at the City Express Hotels in Tula, Mexico. We're here in room 111, which is on the first floor. And here's the view of the hallway. So let's check out the room now. And here's the smiling key card. Alright, if you're coming here, you have a nice room, and here you have your 2 beds, and right there's the hotel telephone, and there are the lamps right there, and we have a Samsung TV, which is hanging up on the wall. Here's the workstation, and look at the mirror. Hello, should focus. Here's the open air closet. Right here's the air conditioning, and out here is the parking lot of the hotel. So check out the bathroom now. There's the fire sprinkler and smoke detector. Right there's the evacuation plan, and right there's the little hole to see with one eye. Check out the bathroom now. Hey, there I am. Hi. There's a hair dryer. You have your sink. And Here is the commode, which I don't know what the brand is. And here's the shower with the arched shower curtain. Let me move this towel so I won't get it wet. And it's Proyecta, I don't know, Proyecta fixtures. And here's the shower head, so on the shower. Really like the shower a lot. Let me get the towel back here. So, what you guys think of this room? You like it? I really like this room a lot. So, there you guys have it. And hope y'all enjoyed the room tour of the Seed Express hotels in Tula, Mexico. And that is going to be it. Thank y'all for watching. And that's it.